expect me to do?
What do I expect you to do? What did I ask for? Like, what did I ask for?
Like, who here name be a mentia ade?
It's not about me and you maybe I want to say. I've asked you for the money. Give it to me here.
And Timini bida.
And then it's not about why you bid and now you bid. I need it. I need the money.
The fish of Malcolm, I tell you, who some idea we did do this. Messina would tell me a thing. What's
no, you told me not to work. And it's a mean Juma. Whatever that I need, you have to give it to me. Round the control.
Because a man money does not mean say if you ask something and not just about me. Because I'm a man of say I'm taking care of you. Everything you need I provide it.
And so I shouldn't ask for the money.
Please.
I need it. From me, you won't go.
I've never seen some before, but nowadays, the way you are acting, no.
It's not about the way I'm acting. Whether I'm acting or I'm doing whatever you think that I'm doing. It all ends with physical number. Give me the money.
Physical. Mister, and Yama be
and Yama Bain.
Mandy. What's going on here?
What is the kind of money and I saw him come? If I can't have me,
get inside. What money is she talking about?
No. After work, I'll give it to you.
Left, right, it won't happen.
Mandy.
Stay out of this.
Let's go to it.
Me no, but I didn't tell me no.
Bro,
Kofi.
So baby, just say it and let me leave. I can't leave.
Mandy. What is this?
Mandy. Who knows what's this about? And the woman me dinner Sunday here for better for worse, no? Is it the same Mandy I'm talking about? Oh,
we're here for better for worse. What did they ever get for better for worse? What did they? No. And you show me.
Disgrace me in front of my brother. Bro. Don't disgrace me in front of my junior brother. Why?
Bro, it's
okay. Hey, no.
Calm down.
Kofi,
she's a wife.
Yeah, I know she's my wife.
You need to calm down, okay?
I know what you say. Huh? Do you know the number, the hours I've been waiting for here? Huh?
No.
You are still inside. Once you have to come and sit down for me to teach you. You know the rain can rain right now. Huh? For me to teach you and get time to go home. And you are still inside. Betransi, Baba Betransi.
My mom said, Emma won't in the classes.
Woman, I say 1 penny. And my main your classes view. And I also said, yeah. Come and sit down.
No.
Eh? Is it your mother who take me for work or your father take me for work?
It's my mother and my father.
Your father take me for work. So if your mother say don't do it.
Not my father. The both of them.
The both of them?
Yes.
Take me for work?
Yes.
Then come and sit down.
No.
There's a woman who's here, my boy.
I'm saying that.
Oh, mamma, see you here. Me, my bone.
Mom say, make control say. Don't you all my main classes need be say. What bone? They crying in my dear child.
Into one yet.
Long division. Say no, chill. But they're not copy. And I dear.
There's a teacher, new copy student. Oh, yeah, dear. Now, do you know your future? Have you think of your future? Huh? You are joking with your future, but you don't know. Do you know that you are playing with your future? Your mother said don't learn, and you say you won't learn. Yes. So if your future didn't go well, who are you going to blame?
You.
Me?
Yes.
Hey, so if you want to blame me, come and say that. Let me teach you.
No.
Who's your idea, no? Why? Why?
Minko.
Nice to see I won't see you not trans. I want trans. The console I won't go. You know how you
Long division.
Me dear drone me say see no madwuma abɔ me. Because also unsuya na automatically say unsuya. That means I han abɔ me. Enti wo anu tia me bia ka hu say me hwe wakɔ. Me boma. Ebe ye awuradem. Ebe ye awuradem.
Me wura.
Awurade akopɔ. So be kaya me nu di nkoma ba kotobi. Akwa no oda so da hospital agina to wo.
Oda so kan.
Aha. Eti ebe ye awura. So unsuya. Huh? And to call, you just go inside. If you don't want to learn, go inside. Don't stand my front and talk to me. Because if you try,
get out first.
I should get out.
Yes.
You can't suck. You can't suck me. You can't suck me. And to me say call me try say.
Aha, kwansa.
Think I say ma. Call where them. Go inside.
Kwa.
Sure. When my your friend say, I write down go pon. My boy said they may bomb a cannon. No. Wahano. Go inside.
Kwansa.
I said go inside. If you don't want to do the classes, go inside. I'm kind for your future. If you know your future and if you know if you're illiterate.
Do you know my future?
I know your future.
You don't know, so keep quiet.
Go inside.
You don't know my future. You don't know. Now you are talking.
Go inside.
Hey, what's the way?
My see you dear Nintino. Who be jamming many make them say, me mom bon. I'm illiterate. If you joke with me, if you joke with me, oh, my missus, they will be jamming many because I'm my bon. But I'm saying, how way? Share.
Once I come. No, just try.
Share.
Try.
So if I try, you try.
Yes.
My bon.
Run away. Just go. Get out.
How crazy what before?
Hi. Get out.
Okay, thank you. I'm going out.
Get out.
Share.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Hey.
Get out.
Remember police fight you.
Oh, yeah.
Them, I'm catching you. Get out. My case, I doctor supposed to me.
Hey.
But the case is back to someone. I bet you them. I also police want to be. Hey.
Get out. Get out.
Hey, when I see Musano.
Let's wait here. This one is like normal.
You hear from
worse.
You hear from our lawyers.
Bye.
That's why, my princess. Come.
Please, have you seen Mommy?
Mommy.
Yes.
Is she not in their bedroom?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. I checked that place.
Have you checked the kitchen?
No.
Okay. So please, how may I help you, my princess?
Oh, please, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
Okay. I have your food in the microwave.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So go eat it, okay? Try not to eat small. Eat it all, okay?
Okay.
I love you, princess.
Me too. Bye.
Oh, this girl can't stay.
Just wake up.
I'm not feeling well. What?
You said,
I'm not feeling well.
Mandy. Mandy.
Oh, it's late. Let me sleep. What is it?
What am I seeing?
What are you saying? I'm sleeping. That's what you are saying.
Nowadays, you behave strange. Why?
I'm not feeling
The
well.
people now say, Mandy,
I'm really having a headache. Let's sleep.
Please. Mandy. I said, who your name is strange? What are
I'm not strange, babe. I'm not feeling well. I've been having this headache for some time now. What is... Let's sleep. It's late. Let me have some rest.
No. Because we are in a me by 20 men country, Miss We are. I didn't ask and answer what the name you want, sir. Baby, please, only one. Please, baby.
I said I'm not feeling well. Oh, I'm not feeling well. Just please. I'm not well. Let me get the pillow, please. Have a good night.
You see, we are into wood and immune. Oh my God.